Hi everyone, welcome to Technology World Hub. My name is Anil. In this session, we are going to discuss working with dropdowns in Selenium WebDriver. This is the most important topic and it is one of the important interview question. So let's discuss this. In Selenium WebDriver, working with dropdowns depends on the type of dropdown. That is HTML select dropdowns or custom dropdowns, that is non-select dropdowns. That means two types of dropdowns we have. We have one HTML select dropdowns or we have one custom dropdown, that is non-select. Here is a detailed guide. So HTML select dropdowns, let's say Selenium provides a select class for handling select elements. Step 1, there are different steps. So step 1, we need to import the class. So import org.openqi.selenium.support.ui.select. Then second step, locate the dropdown. Like web element dropdown is equal to driver.findElement by.id. Let's say dropdown ID. Okay, we'll locate the dropdown. Then we'll create select is equal to new select. We'll create one object of select class and pass the dropdown element. Okay. Then next, step 3, select options. So we can select options in 3 ways: by visible text, by index, and by value. So by visible text, we can do select by visible text, then we will provide the option 1. And by index, we can do select by index, that is 2. By value, select by value, option value. So select by visible text, select by index, select by value. Step 4, get all options. How can we get all the options? So basically we write down list of web element options is equal to select.get options. So select.get options will return list of web elements, that is list of options, and we'll iterate like for web element options system.out.println option.getText. That's how we'll get all the values, option values. Then suppose we want to deselect options in multiple select. Okay, so how we'll do that? So select dot deselect all, only for multi-select dropdown. Okay, so only with multi-select dropdown, if you write down select dot deselect all, that's how we can deselect all the options. So let's talk about non-HTML custom dropdowns. So for dropdowns created using div, li, span, like in modern UI frameworks, select won't work. You need to click and select manually. Okay, so let's talk one by one. So click drop down to expand, because first we'll expand, then only we can click. So driver.findElement by.id, that is, let's say custom dropdown dot click. So we'll first we'll click and it will expand, then select an option. So driver.findElement by.expand, that is, let's say /li text is equal to option 1 dot click. First we'll expand that, then after that we'll click the option. Sometimes you may need to scroll to the option if it's not visible. Let's say the dropdown is not visible, then that time what we'll do? We'll scroll to the option, then we'll select. Okay. Next, let's discuss about one example with code. So let's say WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver.get. Let's say https://theinternet.herocoop.com/dropdown driver.manage.window.maximize. Web element dropdown is equal to driver.findElement by.id dropdown. Locate dropdown, select is equal to. So what we did, first we locate the dropdown. Web element dropdown is equal to driver.findElement by.id dropdown. Then we create the select object. Select is equal new select. We'll pass the drop down element. Then we'll do select by visible text. Let's say select by visible text option 1. Then we'll put some thread to wait and see the value on UI, and we'll do select by index. And after that we'll wait for 2 seconds, and then after that we'll select by index. Select by visible text, select by value, and select by index. Okay, then we'll print selected option. Web element selected is equal to select.get first selected option. System.out.println selected option selected.get text. So basically it will display the current selected option. Okay, that is get first selected option, means it will return the current selected option. Always check if it says select before using select class. For dynamic or custom dropdowns, use click plus XPath approach. Okay, first you need to click to expand, and after that with XPath you will click. Use explicit wait, that is WebDriver wait, if drop-down options load dynamically. Okay, if it loads dynamically drop-down options, then just use explicit wait. Okay, so that's how you can work on drop-downs. So that's it for this session. Thank you so much. Please like it, subscribe it, share with your friends and family. I will come up with some new interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.